Hi there, you're here with Dave at Factory Outlet Trailers. Just gonna do a little walk around here of the TL612 trailer by Canada Trailer. Main benefits of this trailer, for one, it's a tilt deck, so you don't have to worry about dragging ramps around with it. Really nice option, has a 5K axle. I've used this trailer for people who want to put water totes and dragging big totes of water around with this. We are able to load up to 3,500 pounds on this one. So very tough to find such a small trailer that has such a high payload with it. This also has your scorpion coat on anything that faces forward. This is like a Linex or a truck bed liner that will save your paint from getting chipped up. You can see it's also on the fender. Trailer also comes with welded down D-rings to secure your equipment when on it. Great for a side-by-side, anything like that. You want one of these? Come see Honest Dave.